So now let's start painting the glass. So the glass is transparent, making it just important to give the gray shade. So I'm going to take light black, that is water with just one dot of black, and making this line, and now blending it out with a moist brush. Make sure when you blend it out with a moist brush, you are not using too much water, and after dipping in water, you will dab it once on your rough cloth. Again, I'm taking the black from the sides of the cake. Now that became too dark, so I'm going to blend it over and trying to make it lighter. So you make sure you don't make it that dark. Oops. Okay, so I'm just adding a little bit of white there to settle this out, which you don't need to do in case you already have a lighter line. Now I'm going to take the black and do the stem. Now the stem essentially is slightly darker, so I'm using this darker black, and directly with the brush I'm going to make these lines and the glass effect for the base. Early I'm not going to give too much instruction out here, but I'm going to use dark black wherever required and watery black wherever it's faded, and I'm going to finish the entire area of the base. So just follow along and you'll get it right. Because we have too much grey on the stem and the base, I'm going to use dark brown as my shadow. As you can see, just a little bit of dark brown I applied one line, and now blurring it out. Cheers!